Hello students, I am Anamika and in this video we are going to discuss a topic of class 11 mathematics, that is geometric progression. So what do you mean by a geometric progression? When we will call a sequence is in geometric progression, that is in GP. So a geometric progression is a sequence where each term after the first term is found by multiplying the previous one by a fixed, that is a fixed non-zero number, and that non-zero number is called the common ratio. So we will discuss the example later. Before that we should know this one, that is for a GP, if the first term is A, the sequence is A, AR square and so on. That is if the first term is A, here we can say that the first term is A, and the second term is the multiple of 8. And what is the multiple here? That is R. If we multiply R with A, we will get the second term. And what is the third term? If we multiply R with the second term, that is if we here the first term is A, and if we multiply A with R, we will get the second term. So this is the first term and this is the second term. And if we are asked to find the third term, what we will do? We just simply multiply by R with the second term, that is this is the second term, and we will multiply R, that is A R square, and this is the third term. And here if we are asked to find what is the common ratio between this term, we just simply divide the second term by first term. So what is the second term here? That is AR. What is the first term? That is A. And we will just simply cut it, and the result is R. And R is the common ratio. R is the common ratio between the sequence. That is, if we divide the third term by second term, that is AR square divided by AR. That is, we just simply cut A, and we just simply cut one R from here, and the remaining will be R, that is R. The common ratio is R. And if we get the same value, that is in the previous example we get the different value, but here we get the same value, that is R and R. Since both are same, so this sequence is in GP, and we will learn it by an example. That is, for example, if we have a sequence 1, 2, 4, 8 and so on. Is this sequence in GP, that is in geometric progression? What we will do? We will just find the common ratio, that is we will find a ratio, and if the ratio is same, then we will call it this sequence is in GP. So here the first term is 1. What is the second term? That is A2 is 2. And third term is 4, and fourth term is 8. So what we will do? We will just simply divide A2 by A. That is, suppose it is A1. That is, we will divide A2 by A1. That is 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. And if we divide the third term by second term, that is A3 by A2, what we will get? 4 by 2. That is 4 by 2 is equal to 2. And if we just divide 8 by 4, that is fourth term by third term, that is A4 by A3, that is equal to 8 by 4, and which is equal to 2. Since we get the same value, that is here 2, 2, 2, so the common ratio is 2. Since the common ratio is 2, so this sequence is in GP. Got it? And if we are asked to find n term of a sequence in GP, that is, we have already discussed arithmetic progression, but in GP, if we are asked to find the n term of GP, then we will just simply use this formula, that is n equal to A into R n minus 1. That is A is the first term and R is the common ratio between the term. And here n is the value we are asked to find, so we will simply just use this formula. So got it all. Thanks for today.